Hello, good evening everyone. Once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yeah, it's been very bored because of the lockdown. So I'm planning to make a time pass video, plugging the blackberry or blueberry, whatever, and I'm gonna make this as a wine, local blackberry wine. Okay, see you guys. So now this is the result. We had lots of So now I'm gonna transfer into this pot. You can see this. This is the cap. I'm gonna close like this with the plastic. So the process. It's clean. It's clean. This is the way I'm gonna put everything inside the pot. Let the water sting it very nicely. Keep it. So finally all transfer. I will show you the next process. Do you know what is the good side of this fruit, blueberry? It's good for diabetes patient. So I will suggest try to have this those who are suffering from diabetes, and it's very good, and it has a nice and very positive result from many people. So this is a pure fruit wines I'm gonna make local. There's no alcohol, nothing. I'm gonna just put some sugar and no water right now. I will smash some, and I'll put some sugar and cover with the plastic, and we'll put the cap on this, and we'll keep it for more than a week, 2 weeks, and later we'll open and see it. I'm gonna smash it some, not everything, but I'm gonna smash some only, so that it gets its water, it gets its juice early. I will smash some only, not everything. It's all done. The fruit is almost 3 kg, and the sugar part is very less. You don't have to put much sugar, as I said earlier, because fruit is already sweet enough, and it's like 100 gram or something. You can put it sugar. So now everything is fine. I'll cover it with the plastic and put the cap on it and keep it for a week or 2 weeks. Okay, my blackberry wine. I'm gonna remove this. I'll check it out whether it's okay to drink or not. Since it's fine. Whew. The smell, just wow, yeah. Okay, you can see the wine, the pure wine without waters. Okay, I'm gonna pour it. I'm gonna taste today. Wonderful. local man, guys. Very nice. It's wine, you know. Instead of spending lots of money, it's better to make such kind of local wine. And guys, that's all for today. Thank you so much for the watching. Stay safe, stay home, wear masks, stay healthy.